What's up, guys? This is Frank M Tech, and today I'm going to talk about my smoke machine and why I bought it. Alright, let's get this ball rolling. What's up, guys? This is Frank M Tech here. I'm going to do a review on my smoke machine and why did I buy it. Just so you guys actually know, I do use my smoke machine for a lot of different things. Alright, guys, so let's get you. Ba-bam. Alright, guys, so you guys can actually see this is the MotorVac Cool Smoke. I use this a lot when I do evaps, when I do intake leaks or checking for intake leaks. I use this a lot. I use this a whole bunch. This is one of my main tools that I use when I use check out the evaps. Not only that, I use this with the scanner together, and it works out great when you're checking out evaps. When I end up checking out how you can say intake leaks, this smoke machine works great when you do intake leaks. This is my smoke machine. Basically, when I say smoke machine, this is definitely smoke. What I like about the smoke, as you guys can see, I actually got the fluid in here. This is the MotorVac Cool Smoke fluid with UV dye. So anytime you're trying to look for any type of how you can say leaks and you really can't see it, or like let's say the tank like on this pickup truck is completely rusty, you can see the smoke but you can't really see it so much. What you can use is the UV dye actually comes with it. The smoke is actually UV, so what you can actually do is put on the glasses and actually use yourself a UV light. Ooh, did I mess up with the camera? But anyway, you can actually use the UV light, and that actually will help you look for leaks. And not only that, for the evap leaks, that helps you also to look for intake leaks. That's another thing that's actually great for with this UV light. It works. I use it probably maybe once or twice with the UV light, but most of the time I can actually smell and actually see the leak or anytime I find it. So basically, when you get this actual smoke machine, you get the adapters like almost like plugs. There are different variety of sizes in here. So when you're doing a smoke test on the intake, you can put this on the throttle body, close it up, make sure everything's completely sealed, which it should be completely sealed in a certain way, if not leaking to the PVC or the exhaust valves, either or. So, but once you cover this up, it should build up a little bit of pressure within the intake with the throttle body closed up, and you should see any type of vacuum leaks inside the intake. That's one of the things that comes with. Also comes out when you do evap leaks, you can actually have an adapter for the fuel tank. Not only that, you got a bunch of other attachments. You have the attachment for, so you guys actually can see, this is the actual adapter for the evap service port. This is one of the ones that you're definitely gonna end up needing. It comes with this smoke machine. And also the tool, like the Schrader valve tool, where you can take out the Schrader valve for the evap service port. Alright, guys, put these on the side. So you guys actually can see, I'll turn it around, and what you're gonna end up seeing right off the back is this is actually Velcroed, these hoses. So you got one hose, so let me disconnect this, let me unravel it. Basically, you have one hose for the smoke, another one you connect to the battery, to your vehicle battery, which is great. You got a button for smoke and a button for leak test for the evap. Most of all, you can actually hook this up to any ports, or if you have the evap port or the service port with the adapter, you can actually hook up the adapter to the actual adapter for the service port. That actually works great. But you have to remove the Schrader valve inside the service port so you can actually smoke the system. So you can actually smoke the system. Another thing is, you got to make sure your battery is 100% or good enough that you can actually turn on the smoke machine. Without the battery being good, the smoke machine will not turn on for you. Just to let you guys know, that's how that works. All right. Another thing you have to do is hook up a hose right over here. This is the port for the air hose. You can connect. Maximum PSI they want for this machine is 150. I already got it regulated into my actual hoses already. It's already regulated to like around 150, 170, but it's actually regulated to 150 when I actually hook it up to the smoke machine. Alright? So let's get this bad boy hooked up so you guys can see how much smoke this bad boy can produce. Alright guys, so basically I got this smoke machine hooked up already. I got the smoke machine hooked up to a battery that I got on the floor, and also just the air hose connected to the back, and I also got the adapter, or not the adapter, the little tip so you guys can see. So I'm going to turn on the machine. I'm doing this blind. There it goes. So basically this is the smoke machine. This is how much smoke is actually producing for the, basically to smoke the intake, smoke the evap system. And no, do not put it in your mouth because it's not it's not good. Take it from me. It's definitely not good. And the actual oil is not actually safe. It's actually almost kind of poison. But regardless of anything, this is basically a smoke machine. It works freaking great. You can actually use this, like I said, for evaps, for vacuum leaks. If you have a vehicle or actual car, let me stop making it smoke. You can, if you have a vehicle that's having water coming inside the vehicle, what you can actually do is hook this up inside the vehicle. Hook it up with a battery inside the vehicle, smoke the whole vehicle, and most of the time you can see exactly where is it leaking, from the window, from the front windshield, from the door window molding, if it's been in an accident, if the door is not hooked up right, trunk, everything. You can actually smoke it. It's gonna smoke a whole bunch, but it's to a point it actually works out for me. I actually did it twice on me, and I found out a windshield and the door, how you can say, weather stripping was not good enough to seal the car from the weather from outside to bring in. So basically guys, like I said, this is actually the Cool Smoke MotorVac smoke machine. I do use this a lot for evaps. I do use it for vacuum leaks, and I hope you like this review. It's something quick, something easy, something to let you know how basically what I use for a smoke machine and for evap leaks and whatnot. All the part numbers on this machine, and another thing is I did bought this a long time ago on Amazon, so you guys, I'm gonna put the part number on this, part number on the actual the die, and the glasses with the UV light. In reality, the glasses and the UV light is actually Maxwell, but I'll look for one in the actual Amazon. I'll put the part number on the bottom. I'll put the link on the bottom for Amazon. Definitely go into the link that I give you because it does help me out. It does link to me. It's affiliated to me, so it does help me out and this channel out for whatnot. So definitely guys, this is the smoke machine. This is what I use. I use this for a bunch of stuff, especially evap. Guys, if you don't have a smoke machine, definitely buy one of these. This has worked great for me. And if you have a different smoke machine that you want, definitely let other people in this community to know. Make sure you comment on the bottom and make sure you let other people know what other smoke machine that you guys have and what smoke machine worked for you. Alright guys, peace out, and I'll talk to you later. Peace out, peoples.